So I'm in Canada for big White Slopestyle. I'm gonna do best trick jam session now, and we have a F&B gold event tomorrow. Yeah, let's do some laps, do some tricks, hopefully some best tricks. Lucas called. Let's go!
Look at this, Brad. The energy's smiling, the fans are pumped. Rider Judge got trick. Coming up next. Look at that, going all metal.
Wow! So I'm just gonna do a lot of laps now. Point of view. Watch the best trick a bit as well. Maybe do some cool tricks. Yeah! Lucas and Alex.
Alex and Lucas coming in right now.
Might be able to do 4. Huh. Lucas.
Well done, here. Big 360 set up something. Atkinson. Oh.
What the fuck?
Huge twister.
No way!
For Atkinson. Blowing his bucket.
No way!
Not saving it. And it's got a few more to go. Here we go.
Fuck.
We got 10 more.
Okay, yeah, lots of time. Okay, sure. Yeah. Right. Fuck. Oh. Fucking hell. Oh. Next time. So the best trick was insane yesterday. So much fun. But now it's time for the event. We're gonna do the practices, some point of view laps coming up, and some big tricks. Yeah, course is insanely big. So much fun though. Jag är redo. Ja, det blåser lite eller? Nice. Yeah.
Wow, I don't even have to...
Wow, what did he do?
A whip. A big ass whip.
Oh wow. Okay, I'm gonna need this. Yeah, finally did something. So exhausting to come all the way down here. I think I might need to front attack the last one for my endurance. Crazy, yeah. Yeah. Wow. So first practice session of the day done. Did some stuff. I need to do some more though before the contest, so we're gonna have a break, eat some lunch, then go for another practice session, hopefully do all the tricks and then go for the runs. Yeah.
I still got the fans ready to go. Like Navy SEAL. Monsters guarded here in the green grass. You guys ready?
So finals is on the way, or actually we didn't do a qualifying even, but contest is on its way. Gonna do some point of view laps now and then just, yeah, do the run I guess. Sick! Ska fronta nu! Fuck, that went far. Can I see?
It's better.
I landed better there, I think. Perfect. Thank you. Oh,
You get paid to do this. It's your job. You're in for FREERIDE Slopestyle.
Next one is gonna be the contest one, maybe a warm up, but then let's fucking go. So stoked.